All right, here we go. IP14, number 20. A lot going on here. We've got this fraction, this rational expression raised to the second power times this fraction, this rational expression raised to the second power. So I'm going to tackle this in kind of two stages. I'm going to deal with everything on the left being squared here, and then on this side I'm going to deal with everything to the left, or everything here on the right piece being raised to the second power. I'm going to get two fractions, and then I will multiply those fractions, but I'm going to kind of work individually on the left and individually on the right. Everything needs to get raised to the second power. Every single term in here is being squared. So I get 3 squared. M to the negative 5 is being squared. I need to apply my rules. Negative 5 times 2, negative 10. N to the second power is squared, so that's n to the fourth. Every term in the bottom is getting squared, right? They're all connected with multiplication, so every piece is being squared. 4 squared, m to the negative 2 times 2, m to the negative 4, n to the 0 squared, 0 times 2 is 0. Okay, everything over here is also getting squared. It's kind of a coincidence they did the same. Normally I feel like they would be different exponents, but it's okay. M to the second power, n to the fourth squared, so 4 times 2, n to the 8. 9 squared, n squared. Everything raised to the second power. Okay, I'm going to start simplifying some stuff. 3 squared is 9, so that's going to become a 9. 4 squared is 16. This is a fraction, cannot be simplified. There's no common factors. All right, m to the 10 over m to the fourth, right? Those have the same base. So I'm going to apply my rule, dividing powers at the same base. I'm going to subtract my exponents. That is going to be m to the negative 10. Now it's minus a minus 4. So really that is plus 4, right? Subtract a negative, becomes add. Do the same thing here with n to the fourth. Actually, what I'm going to do here, that becomes 1. N to the 0 is really 1. It's almost as if, times 1, we don't even need that guy anymore. So I'm just going to leave this as an n to the fourth. Okay, over here on the right side, I don't have any m's in the bottom, so I'm going to leave this as m squared. 9 squared on the bottom is 81. These have the same base, so I'm going to apply my rules here. Oops, moved it a little bit. 8 minus 2, so this becomes n to the 6. And I got some more to do. Okay, down here, let's combine this. Negative 10 plus 4, that is m to the negative 6. This is n to the fourth times, now we get m squared n to the sixth on this fraction. 16 on the bottom, 81 over here. I got options, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start multiplying straight across. Really, this is all one fraction, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So when I'm multiplying these, I'm going to add these exponents. So really what I'm kind of focusing on now is this m and that m and adding those exponents. And then I also have the n and the n, right here, an n and an n, so I got to add those exponents. Okay, so let's see, we get 9, okay, negative 6 plus 2, that is m to the negative 4. 4 plus 6, that is n to the 10. And this is 16 times 81, which I could plug into the calculator, but I'm going to actually hold off on that for a little bit, and it's going to help with some simplification. You may remember when simplifying fractions, you're dividing out like the same number. Well, 9 goes into both 9 and 81. So really what I'm going to do there, here I'll do it with kind of a pen. Get 1 9 there, and I get 9 9s there, which means the bottom is now going to be 16 times 9. I'm kind of running out of room, so I'm just going to set up over here. So the 9 canceled, which is nice. We only have a 1 in the top. And since it's just 1 times, I don't really need it. We got 16 times 9 in the bottom. Let me do that in the calculator. 16 times 9, 144. So 144 here. I'm going to move this m term down to the bottom just on this next step. I got a negative exponent, and a negative exponent means it needs to divide by that power. We need to move it to the denominator. Oh, shoot. I made a mistake. Once you move it, the sign changes. Right, so really that's positive now. There we go. And then let's see, this is going to stay, it's basically 1 times n to the 10th, so just n to the 10th right up there in the top, and that is our final answer. This guy right here, n to the 10th over 144 m to the 4th. I hope that is helpful. It's a lot of steps, but you go one piece at a time and it's not too bad. Message me anytime with questions.